Hello friends. This video will improve your vocabulary and usage of them in English language. Meaning in Hindi is also written for your better understanding, which will enable you to learn fast and crack any competitive exam. Please subscribe my channel to motivate me to bring up more contents on English language. Ambiguous. Meaning, open to more than one interpretation, not having one obvious meaning. Example, the instructions were ambiguous, so it was difficult to understand what exactly we were supposed to do. Benevolent. Meaning, well-meaning and kind. Example, the billionaire is known for his benevolent donations to various charities and organizations. Cacophony. Meaning, a harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. Example, the cacophony of car horns made it difficult for the pedestrians to cross the busy intersection. Deleterious. Meaning, causing harm or damage. Example, the chemicals in the cleaning product had a deleterious effect on the environment. Ephemeral. Meaning, lasting for a very short time. Example, the beauty of the cherry blossoms is ephemeral, they only bloom for a couple of weeks each spring. Furtive. Meaning, attempting to avoid notice or attention, typically because of guilt or a belief that discovery would lead to trouble. Secretive. Example, she cast a furtive glance at her watch, hoping her boss wouldn't notice that she was late. Gregarious. Meaning, fond of company, sociable. Example, Mark is a gregarious person who enjoys spending time with friends and meeting new people at parties. Hapless. Meaning, unfortunate, having no luck. Example, the hapless traveler missed his flight, lost his luggage, and then got caught in a heavy rainstorm. Immutable. Meaning, unchanging over time or unable to be changed. Example, the laws of physics are believed to be immutable and universal across the universe. Juxtapose. Meaning, place or deal with close together for contrasting effect. Example, the artist juxtaposed dark, foreboding images with bright, cheerful colors in her latest painting. Thanks for your time and watching my video. Please subscribe my channel to motivate me to bring up more contents on English language.